Pippa goes to the cinema. Pippa and George are going to see the Super Potato movie at the cinema. Get your super potatoes here, shout Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox's stall is full of toys. There are carrots, banana, and lots of potatoes. Oh, say Pippa, can we get a super potato please, Daddy? Daddy Pig picks up a super potato. Is it made of plastic? Better than that, said Mr. Fox. It's made of potato. Well, in that case, I'll have two please, says Daddy Pig. Hooray, cheers Pippa. Super potato to the rescue. Pippa goes inside the cinema. She has spotted her friend Sushi Sheep. Hello, Susie, says Pippa. Look, I've got super potato. I've got him too, replies Sushi. Everyone, please take your seats, say Miss Rabbit. The film is about to start. The cinema is big and dark. Pippa's seat is right next to Rebecca Rabbit. Hello, Rebecca, says Pippa. I've got super potato. I got Mrs. Carrot, say Rebecca. Shh, whisper Mommy Pig. The film is about to start. After a little while, Pippa asks Mommy Pig to take her to the toilet. Is it in here? Asked Pippa, opening a door. Is it not the toilet? This is the projectors. It's the machine that shows the film, says Miss Rabbit. Wow, says Pippa. You get to watch Super Potato all day. Pippa and Mommy Pig sit back down. The film is getting very excited. Super Potato has rescued Mrs. Carrot, whispers Sushi. At the end, there is an extra surprise. The stars of the film walk onto the stage. I want to be Super Potato when I grow up, sighs Pippa. Thanks for watching, guys. There's another one. Pippa waves at Super Potato. Show us how you fly. Super Potato jumps off the stage. Wind wishes up into the air. Remember, children, he shouts. Don't try this at home. Point, cross. Oh dear, Super Potato is stuck in the cinema ceiling. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again for the next story, kids. Bye.